Hey everyone, today is August 5 and we are here at the Candy Love Art Studio. And then, rainy day today. And guess who's with me? Ta-da!
I'm back.
Si Bea, and on her lips today is
Heroin with a little bit of please.
ganda. Tapos sinurprise niya. Kasi when we were in Hong Kong, the airport, we were swatching MAC lipsticks. Tapos nakita ko yung please me, ganda. Hindi ko kinuha. Feeling ko ripot din, no? Ah, thank you, Bea! Please me, matte lipstick siya. Parang siyang heroin ba na matte or no?
Matte ata siya,
Matte. Okay. Hi, Joyce!
Hello.
Si Joyce dito natulog. And I love your dress again.
Thank you.
And as usual, merong bread si Joyce for us. Yung malamig, ano to? Yung malambot sobra na bread. Ano bang name yan? Clyde's Bread and Pastry. Saan galing? Sa baba lang, no? Sa baba lang. Yun nga eh, kaloka. Ano to, Joyce? Ano siyang, ano siya?
This one is almond egg.
Okay, almond egg.
Pwede na ako tumawa.
Pwede na? Tawa ka nga. Tapos?
Tuna milk,
Okay.
coffee, bun, na may tas cinnamon.
Ooh! How much yan per ganito?
Depende, like 30 plus.
Talaga? Oh my gosh, I love it. Anyway, almost sabay kami dumating ni Bea. So, she was behind me. Tapos, nagpa-park ako. Pagbaba ko, may hangin. Tapos, lumipad yung skirt. Buti na lang naka-shorts ako. Ito yung dress ko. I actually borrowed it from my sister. At si Bea naman. Hindi pa nagpapaalam. Anyway, yan yung... I really like it kasi yung taas niya, ganyan yung itsura niya. O, diba? Parang pa ganun. I love it. That's all. Tapos, I just wore this sweater, this green sweater with a pink. If you're a long-time viewer of mine, you may have already seen this in the past vlogs. Matagal na. So, yun. I actually did my makeup. Mukha akong tao ngayon at nakalashes parang lola mo. Because, ano yun? Ay, intercon. Akala ko may ano na. Because we're gonna have a shoot for today with Joyce. And Bea is gonna take our photos for our workshop material. So we just need like really professional looking photos. And si Bea yun, tayo ka nga mag-outfit of the day ka. Outfit of the day. Game.
Hindi na maalala.
Game.
Pants. Chloe edit.
Okay.
Top green heels.
Ay, ako ba? Shucks, pinapagalaw yung... Okay, and then?
Tapos boots, prima donna.
Wow, I love it. Okay, so let's go down. Pinapaulong yung kotse ko. I'm gonna do a short segment of my makeup for today. So for my foundation, I used the Rivco Correction Convenient Cream. Super ganda talaga niya. Ay, nako, ewan ko talaga. Lagi nilang ganun sinasabi ko, Joyce, kasi sobrang ganda talaga niya eh, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
As in, so, ano ba to? One shade lang to eh. It has 40 ml, so actually bestseller na siya. Sobrang daming bumibili, lalo na sa mga workshops namin. And then, just a tiny amount of this one, and then I set my makeup together with my favorite powder. Talagang uubos na siya, Bea. This is the Lancome Blanc Expert Mineral blah blah blah. Kasi mahaba yung name niya. Yan, ito yung itsura niya. Konti na lang. So I think I have to, saan baka makakatingin ng refill nito? Ewan ko, harap na lang tayo, girls. And then, for my blush, I have, saan? Rustan?
Rustan siguro.
Tignan naman sa kung nilagay yung mga makeup to Tupperware.
Okay na yan.
Yeah, and then I have this NARS Orgasm blush for my blush. Yan.
I have its counterpart. I have ganyan kaliit.
Alin?
Yung Laguna.
Oo, narinig ko yung Laguna. And then for my contour, para hindi mo mataba konti, Urban Naked. Hindi, Urban Naked. Naked Urban Decay Flushed Palette. And then for my lips, I have something from Bea. Ito yung Lasting Finish Color Rush from Rimmel London. Super ganda ng color niya. Diba? Gusto ko yung mga
na rin siya, so hindi siya basta-basta.
Oo, hindi siya nawala talaga masyado. And then for my eyeliner, I use my Real Lasting liner from K Palette. I love it forever. Tapos nag-set ako ng, sa brows naman, I have the Makeup Academy Pro Brow Ultimate Eyebrow Kit from Makeup Hub. And then I set it together with the Benefit Gimme Brow. Wala lang, pang set konti. For my lashes, sobrang halata na may lashes ako, diba? Ganda, I love it. It's from Pro Studio. Nakangawit na ako, teka lang. Yeah. Pro Studio Beauty Exclusives. Actually, 2 pairs na. Ha?
Pwede ko rin
Ay, okay lang. Yan. Ganda, diba? I love it. Sobrang ganda. I think 400 yata ang isang ganito. I love it. It's available at Glambox Beauty Studio sa Makati. eyeshadow, I have the Lucy's Vanity eyeshadow. Fantastic Eyes. Derm Plus, Korea. Sinabi na ha?
Sayang mo na pati yung ingredients.
Ito yung number 1 yata. Yung may coral. So perfect. That's it. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. That's my makeup for today. Then we're gonna start the shoot in a bit. Okay. And then for my hair, I just did a very clean looking, like pony. Kasi ay, grabe magtanggal yung hair ko. Nakakaloka lang ko na talaga magpa-treatment. Isang buong chunk talaga. Naiyak ako kanina. Ang sakit i-brush.
Tangle teaser ka.
Yun nga, hinintay natin. Tapos, I used L'Oreal Elnett Satin Hairspray. Hindi siya ganun ka-crunchy. I love it. And then, I used something from Lehani, from my good friend Lehani from Hong Kong.
good.
Artista yung ginagamit ni Bea ngayon.
It smells so good.
Di ba? Artista hair repair styling for damaged hair. Parang siyang, hindi ko alam eh, miracle gel. Kasi talaga nawawala yung mga frizzy.
It smells so good.
Diba? And then for my scent, ito, Victoria's Secret Strawberries and Champagne. Somebody gave this to me. Sorry, wait lang. Hindi ko malala yung name mo. Pero thank you. Ikaw ba? Ikaw? Seryoso ka? Oh my God, sorry Joyce. Thank you, Joyce.
I love it.
Oh my God. We're now gonna start with the shoot. Tapos, ang unang location namin is sa beautiful sofa ni Joyce. Sobrang ganda kasi. The white sofa. Anong lip color mo?
Milan.
NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Makeupaholics?
Yeah.
Love it. If ever you're wondering what camera Bea uses for awesome shots, sobrang ganda. Lahat ng Hong Kong pictures, galing kay Bea yun. She uses a
Nikon D700.
with, anong lens?
Depende, 50, maybe 50 ako, may 85.
Wow, I love it. It's perfect. Perfect. Yeah, dumating na yung cabinet ni Joyce. Kasi meron siya bagong cabinet. I really like this dress. As in. Ano ko nga kay Adson nakuha to. Yan. Having so much fun here at the shoot. I love it. Sobrang ganda ng mga shots ni Bea. Look. Oh, it's Joyce's turn. We're doing like mirror shots.
No, wait. I like it that you're there. Medyo kita ka sa background.
Ah, ako? Ako ba kausap mo? Kala ko si Joy! Kaya hindi ka pinapansin. So, ganyan ka mga vlog lang ako.
Sa country.
Ang cute ni Joyce.
Baba mo yung banter naman. Iyo.
Yan. Love it. We're done with the shoot, so Bea and I are gonna eat at Ying. Pero si Joyce, madami siyang gagawin inventory.
But Waying is really a nice and delicious fast food restaurant.
Di ba lagi ka nandun? Alala mo dati?
Chinese.
Hindi ba tayo ganun ka-friends? Dapat ba? Di ba? So sabi mo na sa Ying ka, oo.
Kung makita niyo yung reaction.
Alam. Shit, nakawalan ako na hininga dito. Tawa tayo ng tawa. Okay.
Masakit siya uso.
Thank you, Bea!
Thank you, Bea!
Welcome! Yeah.
Bye. Ako na naman ending ng vlog.
We're back in Hong Kong Dim Dim Sum. Joke lang. We're here in Ying. We're gonna have, ano na ba? Late lunch ba? Or
Late
medyo
lunch.
3. Grabe niya si Bea. Pati nga niya ulit. Shit, sobrang neon. Tignan mo, isa pa.
Highlighter yellow.
Grabe.
China Glaze Celtic Sun.
And Bea got her brows done at the brow bar from Benefit. It's super awesome. I love it. Sobrang,
May next appointment na ako.
saan? Sa brows?
Sumunod nila sa Horte.
How many, ano yan?
Next appointment, August 25.
So every, 2 weeks, gano'n? 3?
3 weeks to a month.
Okay. Alright.
Let's eat.
Mag-order na tayo, Ying. Dalawa pa lang Ying at yung maliit na Ying. Tapos isa sa may Hope Christian High School. Mas malaki
yan eh.
We're gonna order.
Sa eyes, ang ganda ng eyeshadow.
Zinazoom kita. Ang ganda ng eye rolls mo, oh.
Thank you.
Anong eyeshadow mo, Bea?
Eyeshadow, halo-halo to. Lorac Go Prone to Go palette, tapos ink gloss, tapos
Halo-halo.
makeup geek, yun.
Ito yung Lucy's Vanity.
Ang ganda!
pigmented siya, di ba?
Ang ganda ng color.
Boy, parang ganito kayo yung dim-dim sum. Ganito kaliit din eh, no? Meron kaming house tea. Ayan, house tea.
Ito pwede ko
Na-remember ko, nag-vlog kami ni Mark. Umiinom kami niyan. Tapos ginawa kong thumbnail. Drinking what? Kasi mukhang...
Oh no!
Pero masarap. I love it. We have to let Bea try maaki. Sarap yun. Ano siya? Very malapot siya. May pork. Pwede ka maglagay ng maki mi. May noodle siya pwede. Pwede rin wala. Super sarap.
Oreo.
Yeah, Oreo. Na-try ko na rin. We have siomai.
Sa Mercato.
This one is shrimp chong fan. I haven't tried shrimp chong fan.
I haven't either. Wala.
Diba? Beef ang na-try namin sa dim sum. Yummy. Sinabotage ni Bea yung ano ko. So, sobrang anghang. So, okay, we have hakao. Ayan, Bea, your favorite. Ito sa'yo ito, ha?
Yung ano, 3CE.
Yan din. We have here Lin Yong Pao. And we are hoping na para siya yung piggy na favorite ni Bea.
Yun ang mga piggy.
Siya piggy. So, we'll see.
Yun talaga hinahanap yung mga pig.
They told us meron siyang salted egg inside. So, medyo matamis siya na hindi ko alam.
Aray,
bakit.
mainit pa.
Mainit.
Sobra. Mamaya ka na.
Bago.
Masunog na yung kamay ko eh. Ayaw masunog. Iha.
Okay, game. Para siyang ganon. Yeah, para siyang custard pero may egg yellow.
ano siya?
Similar.
Similar-ish.
Similar. Okay. Pero wala siyang mukha ng baboy. Sige nga, try mo nga, Bea.
Ako ginawang ginit eh. Smells okay. Mainit pa eh. Tapos,
Pareho. Similar lang.
pero lasa, pero masarap.
Ang tawag siya ulit? Lin Yong Pao. Lin Yong Pao. Okay.
Parang more of, parang bean-based taste siya kaysa sa yung
Custard.
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 Custard egg nang nakain natin.
Okay. Tapos may egg siya. Okay, here we have ham soy kok.
Ano kaya't lasa nun?
Para na siyang merong giniling sa loob. So, apparently, parang siyang deep fried, no? Deep fried. Yum. Okay. I'll open it. I-try natin.
Aray, ang init.
Ay, sticky! Oh, shit! Wow, ang galing! Na-dip. Na-dip. Yan kasi, vlog na vlog.
That's what you get for vlogging.
Patingin ba, Bea? Oh, diba? Kasi Bea. Okay. So, our total bill is 425. Okay na, ang dami na nakain and busog na kami ni Bea. After this, we're gonna go to SM Manila because Bea wanted to check out her Cheese Cosmetics and wala na sa SM Makati. So, we're gonna go to SM Manila and apparently sobrang lakas na ulan sa Makati. So, may meeting ako isa later, so we should go tuloy. So, okay, inside the car, convoy kami ni Bea. Convoy. We're now here at SM Manila because Bea wanted to check out Cheese Cosmetics and I went all the way back to the parking lot kasi naiwan ko yung vlogging cam and I wanted to vlog Bea. So as usual, tumitingin siya sa mga nail polish.
I can't help it.
Oy, ang ganda nito mga to. Ayan. Ito. Ayan, oh shit. Oh, ito. Ay, ito. Ano ba? Ito, meron silang, diba I got the foundation. Turns out it has a partner, ano dito?
Should I try the foundation? Is it worth it?
Maganda. Seryoso.
Sige, kuha.
No joke.
Sabi mo eh.
Diba? We also have this, like, bronzing,
Pero mas mahal siya.
matte bronzing powder. O, diba? Ang dami. Pagod ako.
Sino ito mag-eyeliner? See?
What?
Eyeliner.
So, okay, we're here at Wicked Waffle. We're gonna have coffee and then we're gonna watch Bea right now do her haul video kasi nagbili siya sa, ano na?
Sabi ko, pinaforce mo ako.
She got stuff from Cheese Cosmetics. Okay, game.
Of course, nail polish. I don't know what the number is, but it looks blue.
How much?
Oh, sorry. 199 bucks.
Okay.
Automatic, ano siya? Stay. Tapos foundation, the same one that Say has.
Ayan, same kami.
All matte plus. Same shade.
I have a review. I'll have the link in the information box.
Yeah. And
Ayan.
all matte plus shine control pattern. Same shade. Nude pink.
Love it.
And of course, eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Waterproof.
Yung may dip. Okay. Ang ganda ng brush niya, sobrang nipis.
I like it better than the pen. Kasi yung pen, madaling mag-dry out. Yan lang. Tapos I got vacuum pen for 100 off, so I'm happy. Anywhere I can save money. Oh, yes.
What's that, Bea? What's that?
It's a cappuccino. Because I'm fancy that way.
Ako meron akong Americano. Kulang na naman. Gusto ko dalawa lagi. We're done with our coffee. We're gonna say bye to Bea. We're gonna see her soon. Bye, Bea! Enjoy mo yung Catrice.
Yes.
Ay, gawa ka na daw ng YouTube video. Madami, no joke, madami nagsasabi.
Seryoso?
Oo. No joke. Tignan mo yung mga comment.
Wait, umabot ako ng 3,000 subscribers sa Instagram.
Follow Bea. Ano yan? Tris Barreto?
Tris Barreto.
Tris.
Tris. Double R, double C.
Link in the information box. I have to pick up Isa, so I'm gonna end the vlog. Okay, bye! See you tomorrow. Sister